that sometimes it makes me sick. When you sing sometimes, this guy sings, parang kumuha akong isang kutsara ng honey. Ang sweet! Yung nauumay ka, you need a little bit more of danger. Okay, hindi ba nga, you're so asexual!
Gaya mo sila, Arnie, naglalakad na may kutsilyo dito.
Hindi na ba ganun danger? Hindi ba? You have to have a little bit more of you know, enough of you being gentle. I want more of the man. Okay? Give me more danger. Kung di anak ko hatang fans mo, nanay.
I'll give them danger.
Like nanay ko.
Kugay.
Di ba?
Like nanay ko.
Kasi okay sa lalaki yung mabait, na mabango ka, mabango. Ikaw yung mukha yung kahit pinagpapawisan ka, amoy baby powder ka. Pero, yung lalaking babae naman, gusto rin kuminsan may konting anghit. Di ba, Chris?
Ha?
O, Kitan? O, importante nyo may konting give me a little bit more danger. Ikaw naman, Larnie.
Hello.
Tone down lang ng konti. Tone down ng konti. Alam mo, Larnie, enjoy it a bit some more. Okay, alam mo kasi, Larnie, alam mo, ikaw girera ka. Parang kasi Gabriela Silang pag kumanta ka. Yung, pag kumakanta ko lang talaga, may itak. Tangina mo! Okay, enjoy mo. Huwag mo lang itakin si Jim Modela. Kaibigan ko yun, ha? Mabait yun, ha? Huwag mong itakin. So, nag-yung, Diyos ko, makajulit mo si Poy. Parang any moment, sabi ko, naku, sasakalin na si Poy. Okay, enjoy it a bit. Ay, naku, Poy. You're lovely. You're lovely. You know, I would have had you in instead of those two boys. Anyway, you would have consumed the same amount of food.
Nakita ba?
And ikaw alam mo na naman yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, hindi ba, anak? Ha? Naku, Christina, namimili ka rin ng kanta. You know, I'll tell you frankly now, next Saturday, sasabunutan ko lahat yung mga nag-ayos ng buhok ninyo. Okay? Sa'yo okay yung kay Christina at saka kay Larnie. Diyos ko, mukha kayong mga matronang sa alabang na magmamadyol. Parang any moment kulang na lamang, di ba, madyol table. Hindi talaga. Okay? Kaya ano natin, yung ayusin natin kayo na huwag kayong magmukhang mga, di ba, any moment magnininang kayo, ang mga Hermana Mayor kayo ng Santa Cruz. Okay?
Alam mo, di ba?
Di ba?
Quest masyado eh.
Pero kailangan ito keep yan. Ikaw din naman, ha? May ibang kanta sexy ka, may ibang kanta ewan ko, nawawala ka pa rin yung personalidad mo. Christina, you just have to focus some more. Okay? So, ganito ang gagawin natin. May pinakanta, meron akong pinaaral sa inyong tatlong kanta. Isang kanta lang ang ating i-deal with today. Yung kay Ogie, one of my favorite songs. Nandito ako. Pero, ganito ang attack natin. May basic way of singing that. Pero gusto ko, lagyan ninyo ng personalidad ninyo yung kantang yun. At paano gagawin yan? Tutulungan ko kayo. Ang gagawin, ang tawag dito is, well, there's a way of doing it. It's called channeling.
Ano channel?
What is channeling? We get an experience of yours, okay, and then attach that experience of yours to that song. Nangangahulugan na. Hindi nangangahulugan na ang kanta nandito, noong, you know the whole, tell me what the song is all about.
I'm here. Nandito ako.
Yeah.
Ibig sa'yo. Meaning that you're there
with you for
love song.
sacrifice.
It's a love that will go beyond boundaries for the person that you're loving.
Okay. Usually, ina-attach mo ang kantang yan to a romantic love. But I want you to give texture. I want you to get experiences from your personal lives. Okay? And then I want you to render that song using that experience. Okay? Ito ngayon ang rule natin between now and Wednesday sa lahat ng kanta natin. This goes especially for you, Laarni, and for you, Poy. Walang biritan. Gusto ko ang attack sa kanta is as soft and as tender, walang biritan. Pero gusto ko buo ang damdamin at may karakter ang damdamin. Walang kulutan. Okay? Kakantahin nyo lang, pero mayroong karakter.